Going 6 laps for this heat race. Green flag is out, we're underway. McLean will take lap 1, clearing Lucius for first place. Connor McLean looking to the outside of Bob Johnson. Laps in, coming in on 2 to go this time by. Lucius looking at the outside of the plane. White flag in the air this time by. Connor McLean in third, Bob Johnson in fourth. Lucius looking for the crossover. Is he going to have enough room to get in there? He does. Side by side down the front. Take the win. Brady McLean in second, Connor McLean in third, Bob Johnson in fourth.